Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to view all friend requests on Facebook using the updated method. Whether you're trying to keep track of pending requests or just want to manage your connections, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you've logged into your account, take a look at the top center of the screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the one labeled Friends. This icon is your gateway to managing friend requests and connections. After tapping the Friends icon, a new page will appear showing some of your recent friend requests. To see all of them, look for the See All option. It's usually located near the top right corner of this section. Tap on See All, and there you have it, a complete list of all your pending friend requests. From here, you can review each request individually. Decide whether to accept, decline, or leave them pending based on your preferences. Managing your friend requests has never been easier with these straightforward steps. And that's it. You now know how to view all friend requests on Facebook using the updated method. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need a quick guide like this. Thanks for tuning in, and happy connecting.